In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find views per country for all your videos in YouTube Studio. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you want to get the analytics breakdown of views on your YouTube videos from various countries, it is pretty simple. Just head over to YouTube Studio and then click on analytics here. From this, go ahead and click on see more. And here you'll have a breakdown of your views. However, you have to change this parameter from content to country. So to change to country, go ahead and click on geography. And then you can also change the duration, maybe for the last 1 year. And this will give you a breakdown of where your viewers are coming from. So that's how you can views per country for your videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.